Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today its video I am sharing a beautiful and elegant backhand Arabic Mehndi design that is perfect for festivals, weddings, Teej Sawan, Raksha Bandhan and other special occasions. This design features a stunning combination of intricate swirls, delicate leafy patterns and a stylish bracelet inspired wrist design. The detailed finger patterns add a classy touch, while the bold Arabic style gives the design a modern and eye-catching look. One of the best things about this Mehndi design is that it looks highly detailed and professional, yet it is simple enough for beginners to try. If you are learning Mehndi or looking for a quick, attractive design, this pattern is a great start. To create this design, start with the image details, then move on the beautiful swirl pattern on the back of the hand. After that, add the leaf elements and complete the look with the decorative wrist border. The combination of bold and fine lines makes the design stand out beautifully. This Mehndi design pairs perfectly with both traditional and modern outfits, making it suitable for every occasion. The rich dark stain enhance the beauty of the pattern and give the hand a graceful and face-deep appearance. If you enjoyed this design and found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends and family and subscribe to the channel for more beautiful and trendy Mehndi designs. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.